Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a sketch. First, gather your essential tools: a pencil, an eraser, and paper. A 2B pencil is great for general sketching, offering a good balance of darkness and erasability. Hold your pencil loosely, about 1 inch from the tip, to allow for fluid movements. Begin by practicing basic shapes like circles, squares, and triangles to warm up your hand and eye coordination. This foundational practice is crucial for developing your artistic confidence. Now let's dive into some fundamental techniques. Experiment with different line weights. A light touch creates delicate lines, while more pressure yields bolder strokes. Try cross-hatching, using parallel lines that intersect to create shadows and texture. Stippling, which involves dots, can also add interesting tonal variations. Remember to simplify what you see into basic geometric shapes before adding details. This approach helps maintain correct proportions and perspective in your drawings. To make your sketches truly come alive, focus on depth and dimension. Light and shadow are your best friends here. Identify your light source and observe how it illuminates your subject, creating highlights and cast shadows. Practice blending with your finger or a blending stump to achieve smooth tonal gradients. Smudging can also soften edges effectively. Incorporate 1-point or 2-point perspective to give your drawings a realistic sense of space, making objects appear closer or further away. Finally, refining your sketches is an ongoing process. Take a step back and critically evaluate your work. Look for areas where proportions might be off or where shading could be enhanced. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, will significantly improve your skills over time. Don't be afraid to experiment with new subjects and styles. Sharing your work and receiving constructive feedback from others can also provide invaluable insights and help you grow as an artist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.